Doctor, you suffer from a terminal illness and have only 10 to live. Nang kanba ngamdaba haibadi siramdai orba laina amana nare aduna tara khak ngaire hingadaba laigadaba ko. Patient, what do you mean 10? 10 what? Months? Weeks? Nang na tara hairisi kari haningino? Tara karino? Tharo? Haptaro? Doctor, 9. Mapan haibadi second mapan mukta ngaire masi gadaba ko. Doctor na mapan hairisi second mapan mukta ngaire haibani. I dreamt I was forced to eat a giant potato. Aina mangami mangniko. Aise alu achobama namdana sahallami. When I woke up, my pillow was gone. Aina hugalak pakanda aigi mondu lairamdre. Doctor, you are obese. Nang noimalle lumba henmalle habni. I want a second opinion. Patient Harry. Mot amaga pami. Ani subo mot ama pami habni. You're quite ugly too. Nang yamna su sakti. Karasuti. Nupin Harry. How much do you love me? Nang aibu kayam nung shige. Boy. Look up at the stars. That's how much I love you. Tawan misak sing de yengu. Adugyam aina nang bunungshi. Aina nang bu adugyam nungshi. Girl, but it's morning. There are no stars. Adabu si ayukne. Tawan misak amta laite. Boy, exactly. Adu magni. Haibadi laitramina zero muk nungshi habni ko. Kaim nungshi dewa zamane. I have always thought that my neighbors were quite nice people, but then they put a password on their Wi-Fi. Aidi matam khudingmakta aigi kairoi laikai gi mi singsi yamna phai khalambani adubu makhoi gi Wi-Fi gi password ama thamami. Wi-Fi gi password tu thamamina mana sizinaba yadredana. When my wife sings, I always go out and do some garden work so our neighbors can see there's no domestic violence going on. Aigi nupina isai shakpakanda. Aidi adum inkhol suba thoi. Aigi kairoi laikai gi misingna imungda khatna chaina ba thokte haibadu khangedana. 8 p.m. I get an SMS from my girlfriend. Me or football? Numidangi pung nipanda aigi saidagi SMS ama pangki. Ai pambra natraga football pambra. 11 p.m. I SMS her. Kar lan biao ge wahi dai di with the soigibniko. You of course. Pung tarama thoida aina mangunda haiki. Nang natadi sineva. Saidi football yeng leramminiko. SMS handa bida haidare. Wife na harai. Wait for me, honey. I'm just finishing my makeup. Ngai ko, honey. Mainu pada ko. Ay keba loislae. Husband, you don't need makeup, Rosie. Nang makeup darka laite, Rosie. Wife, oh darling, really? That is so sweet of you. Oh darling, asing bro. Nang se yampaye. Thauzal hai thagachari haining bado. Husband, you need plastic surgery. Nang plastic surgery darka lai. Haibadi amna thi haibadu. Marom da haibniko. Smile and the whole world smiles with you. Noki noki tau prithibi pumbasu nanga nukminagani. Fart and the whole world stops smiling. Moi tho nungsit mapi thado ko. Prithibi pumba nok palepkani. I told my dad that he should embrace his mistakes. He had tears in his eyes. Then he hugged my sister and me. Babada in hairami madudi. Ma masagi asoy badu. Ya jagadabani. Konsin jagadabani. Magi mamita mapi tarami. Aduga mana isan nupi amasung aibu konsilami. Magi marando moy anibu po ubaduni sineba. Mapadon uningisiko. Magi asoybado moy ani po ubaduni sineba. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.